Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20, the 50, and the 200 SMAs on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top. Click on it, and here at the search bar, type moving average. Choose this one and click on it 3 times, like this: 1, 2, and 3. Now let's go to our moving averages here. So click on these 3 dots, go to settings, and go to input. Now we have here length, change it to 20. We have here style. You can change the color from here if you want. So I will choose for this one yellow. And we have here the thickness. I will choose this one. Now click on OK. Now let's go to the second one. Click on these 3 dots here, settings, input, change the length to the 50. Go to style, and I will change this color to, let's say, this color. And for the thickness, I will choose this one. Click on OK. The same thing with the 200. Click on the 3 dots, settings, input, change 9 to 200. Style, I will choose, for example, white. And for the thickness, I will choose this one. And click on OK. And that's it. Now these are our SMAs. So the yellow is for the 20 SMA. The red one is for the 50, and the white color is for the 200, this one. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.